Applying for a small business loan with VelocitySBA's online loan portal is a breeze. In less than 5 minutes, you can set up your account, answer a few questions about how much you need to borrow and why. Easy. And there it is, your personal dashboard, with everything at your fingertips. The overview of your loan, your interest rate, and even a list of payments is visible, so everything is transparent. With one click, this state-of-the-art technology lets you track your loan progress and status. The secure portal keeps all your documentation and information safe in one place for easy access. The intuitive user interface displays clear communication and notifications right on your homepage, so you know exactly what's going on and if there are any information requests. Applying for an SBA loan couldn't be easier or faster. Visit VelocitySBA.com to get started.